Hi, welcome to this edition of Let's Talk Real Estate for a Minute. I'm Price Anderson, sales representative with Bose & Cox Limited Brokerage in beautiful Peterborough. Today, I'm on location at 105 Milroy Drive in the north end of Peterborough. I'm in this stunning 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with a full 2-car garage, hardwood throughout, 2 fireplaces, and a beautiful kitchen. All appliances are included: fridge, stove, dishwasher, washer and dryer, the main floor laundry. Let's go on a little tour. And that's it for our tour of this beautiful home. If you'd like to see this house in person, I'd be happy to show it to you. Just contact me at 705-875-8821 at my email or through Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye now.